Hmm. So I guess yesterday when I gave the riots detail, the one who are the beginner of this race act must have tried planting a phone location while I went out now and I came here now, and they must have planted phone location on me all over the street till here. Hmm? Who cares? Who cares? 11th February, a clone followed me till Bombay. 11th February, a clone followed me till Bombay. In this bed. Shalajar, call girl racket. Those are that fellow holds the call girls. And now it's connected to the West with that online prostitution racket. So now you know how things are connected. You got this? Street hookers, what fun it is? What fun it is? Why have to go there? Because the street hookers were doing the message planting. Yeah. Street hookers were trying to message planting and trying to, what do you call it, frame me. And the online prostitution has control over them on the street hookers. And who are the online prostitution which are connected to production, film productions. And that online prostitution also involved in bank frauds. To hide their crime, they tried creating a race rats. Hearing this one? To hide their crime, they tried creating a race rats, which what do you call it? It's exposed out there. It's exposed. Yeah. They knew I was a powerful fuck. So to get a grip on me, they needed 50,000 people. Hmm? So 50,000 people, later it turned into the race thing. Because they already knew it will happen one day. And the one with the creation date files, one with the uploads for online publishing, that's the one who does the online prostitution. So the publisher of the data, online stuff, who deletes the stamped papers, who is involved in forgery till fake forensics. So that fucker, whoever it is, and their name is published because they published the stamped data and they deleted the creation date and changed the drive. And the drive which holds my shooting footages and my family's and my web history. So, corrupt officers are saving them at present. So, beat these people, you have to viral that data. You get the name of that publisher. Viral in the sense, give it to a proper politician who holds control on their states. Who holds control on their state. Every state there might be a CM or someone. So, proper, ekdam, legal. I am giving copyrights to entire country. Legally ekdam, सबके पास copyright जाना चाहिए. All these states. This territory I am helping them to work, but the one who sold the data, they should die. That's what they wanted. Normal people should die for their hunger. That's why still people call lost their property day before yesterday in Nagpur. There is so much of anger created from past 3 years because of this thing, the files. And the online prostitutes are doing this. And they are caught. They are caught. Uh, why would I go for police station and ask for reports from past 3 years? And police wasted my time. From past 3 years, why did they do that? Because those online prostitutes make a big number in bank frauds, street hookers, call girls, and bank frauds. What do you call it? Bank fraud, I gave it before, right? So step by step I had to expose. And those are the online prostitution controls, data theft and ransoms. They do the ransomware thing. Those are these online prostitutes which are also connected to street prostitution. Brothel I can't tell. And call girls. And you are in the recent hunt, 11th February, you got this Shailaja with the call girls. Who followed Jack Sparrow. And to establish his thing, the fake bank account has the transaction of his call girls. GPS spoof won't. It's not a hard business for them. There is a Shailaja provides women to every GPS spoofer, which are in the bank account. That's why they are paid for. To pleasure every man who is planting phone location on the victim. So the best thing is speak with the entire country's ministers, all the ministers. Let it be legal thing. If they have the publishing, so they have the file to give the files. Give the files to every minister. Let them do the file forensics. Let them know is it Yogendra Nikale, and give it to every party, all the parties, all political parties. All are Indians, right? Not Pakistani. Every race, everything. There should be no, what do you call it, that one single party. All are Indians, everyone are supposed to catch those prostitution, sextortion racket. Look, street hookers, how much money they make? They don't make. But they are connected to that online prostitution. And that online